Hi, my name is Lazarow and I am the IBM Planning Analytics Practice Lead at Revelwood. And today I'm going to show you how to determine the last time one of your users has logged into Planning Analytics Workspace. One of the questions that I get asked regularly is, how can I tell the last time my user has logged into PAW? This functionality was introduced in version 87 and it's real easy to use. The way that we can make that determination is to log into PAW. As you can see, we're on our PAW screen right now. Go into the administration option, and within administration, we go into users and groups. Okay. The way that we're going to grab this information is we're going to export a file, and that file is going to tell us the last time each one of our users have logged in. So in this particular case, you can see I've got a system with 4 generic users. What I'm going to do is I'm going to simply click on this arrow pointing down. The arrow pointing down downloads users into a CSV file, and I'll click on it and it will ask me where I want to save the file. The file is going to be called all-users.csv. Okay. And what this file is going to do is this file is going to give us information about each of our users. It's going to give us the name of the user, and if we had a first name and a last name registered, it would tell us that. It's going to tell us our role. And then it's going to fill it in with 2 aspects. Aspect number 1, ADD. It's going to set it up so that I was using the equivalent of adding a new user. But then, more importantly, it's going to give us the information we want about the last login date. These pieces at the end right here are going to be broken down into 2 parts. Part number 1, it's going to give us the year. It's going to give us the date. The date is going to be using a format of 4-digit year dash 2-digit month dash 2-digit day. So in this particular case, the first record, 2023-05-24. And then it's going to define it with the letter T. And that T is going to signify the break between the date and the time. And that T is going to signify the next set of information is going to be in 24-hour format. Well, that next set of information is going to be the time. So in this particular case, we could see that the time that they logged in, 17:25:09, 5:25 p.m., 09Z. And that letter Z signifies Zulu time, which many of you also know as UTC. So using this approach gives us the ability to quickly create a list of all of our users, and for each one of our users, give a date and time associated to the last login. Thanks for watching today's video. I hope you learned something new. If you have any questions, please reach out to us at info@revelwood.com.